Sorry about that, guys. I had the wrong WoW window open or being recorded. So, today we're going to do the raffle. I think that, is there a way for me to share my desktop? Entire screen. Do I want to do that? Let me think about it. I think it should be fine. Oh, don't want to see that. Okay. So, let me take a look here. We have the Mount Raffle here. So, we have two of the mounts that are going to be auctioned. I'm sorry, not auction, raffled off, along with the mount training. Two of those, that amounts to gold, basically, since we can't, buy your mount for you. So you can save it until you're 40 or what have you. We have two mooncloth bags. We have four sets of four mooncloth bag packages. We have a fire enchant. We have Nightblade with the fire enchant. We have the Harpy Claw short bow and the Basilisk Kite pants. So I think that the best thing to do is start possibly. Let me see what you guys think. Should we start at the bottom or the top? Probably the bottom, right? I'm kind of thinking. Let me see. Um, Oops. Okay. So we're going to start at the bottom. Let's see here. So the first thing that we're going to auction off are the Basilisk Kite pants. Those are these right here, 21 agility, 8 stamina, 3 spirit. Let me see. Okay, so the total number that we have 49 people. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll 1 to 49 and see who would win these. And oh, I could just put roll 49, I think. Roll 49. Number 6. Let's see who number 6 is. That is a name I can't pronounce, but we're gonna go ahead and let me see here. We're gonna drop. Okay. All right, and then the next thing we're gonna do is the Harpy Claw short bow. That's this here. It's a blue bow with a scope already on it. Let me see here. So we'll do roll, and of course, if I get 6 again, which highly unlikely, but it will happen where I'll get a number again. We would just re-roll in that case so that one person doesn't win more than once. So number 27. 27 for the Plains Runner for the Harpy Claw short bow. And let me just do this color orange. All right. And then we're going to do the Nightblade. This one's really cool because that glow from Fiery is pretty awesome. I kind of wanted to keep it, actually, after I saw this. But anyway, so it already has Fiery on it. And let's see, it's a two-hander sword. We're going to do roll 49 again. 12. Who's number 12? Valine, I guess is how you would pronounce it. I'm not really sure. Let's see here. So we're going to make this yellow. All right. Oh, I should be announcing this, right? Oh my god, I haven't even been doing that. So, who won the Basilisk Kite pants? I didn't even think. And then we're gonna do Plains Runner, Harpy Claw short bow, right? Was that right? Yeah, that's right. Okay. Okay, and then Valine. Okay, and then the next thing that we're gonna auction off is a fiery enchant. So we're gonna roll 49. Number 48. That is Boochum. So Boochum. Let's see here. We're gonna do green. So Boochum wins fiery enchant. Okay, and let me see here. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do four sets of 4 rune cloth bags. All right, and so we're gonna roll 49. Number 25, who is that? Warzoos. So Warzoos, let me do Cyan. I'll do all 4 of these, and then I'll just announce all 4 at once in guild chat. So we'll do rule 49 again. Number 10, Hunter G. Okay. And then I'll just keep these all cyan because, you know, colors. All right, and then we're going to do rule 49 again. Number 1, that is Gnome Slice. So Gnome Slice wins the set of 4. And then we're going to do roll 49 again. And that's number 15. That's Mardecai. Sorry if I butcher your names. So Mardecai, Gnome Slice, Hunter G, and Warzoos. Whoops. Hunter G. All right. Okay, the next thing that we're going up for grabs is going to be these mooncloth bags. So we'll do roll 49. Oops, I need the slash. Roll 49. Number 2, Chippewa. So Chippewa wins a mooncloth bag. And we'll make this blue. And then let's see, we're gonna roll. Oh, Chippewa died. Did he re-roll? Do we know? Well, he gets a mooncloth bag. Let's see here. So we're gonna do roll 49 again. Number 31 is Merca. Wins a runecloth bag. Which blue did I do? This blue? Yeah. Okay, so Chippewa, and whoops, Merca win a mooncloth bag each. All right, and then on to the main event. Now for the mount training. Okay, so for the mount training, we're going to do roll 49. Planesrunner says stop. Oh. Okay, number 34 for mount training is Durga. So I'll make this purple. And then another mount training, roll 49, 46. Who is that? Palooka. Purple. And so that was Palooka and Durga. Durga and Palooka both win mount training. Now for the main event. If only I had like a soundboard with like a drum roll and just imagine it. Just imagine a drum roll, like it's, you know, the drum roll sound. And then that's gonna be. Okay, here we go. Drum roll. Imagine it in your head. 37. Did we get that number already? We did not. I am sneaking wins the mount. The first mount. Pink. Okay. Ugh. Oh, you know what? So the rules in the Discord, hold on one second. So the rules in the Discord do state that if you win mount training and you want to get thrown back into the raffle for a mount, you can. So if he already trained his mount, then he can if he wants to. So right now he's winning 18 gold. Okay, so who was that? Palooka? No. Yeah, Palooka. Was it? Palooka, okay. Palooka, the rules state that if you win, you currently won 18 gold. Mount training, you can opt to be put back in the raffle for the mount. It doesn't mean you'll win anything, but you could win the mount. Let's see what he does. Let's see what he decides to do. Oh my god. Okay, he's gonna risk it. So we're going to put him back into the drawing. Where is he? Oh, there he is. We're going to put him back in the drawing. What color is that? I don't even know what color I used. Oh, you know what? I'll just do this. Okay. So he's back in the drawing. So we need to do that. So let's just go ahead and do the mount drawing. Because he went back into the pool, so we'll just do the mount drawing now. So we'll do roll 49 and see what comes up. Roll 49 for the last mount. 22. Palooka, not you. Deadsy. So Deadsy wins for the mount. And now we're going to do the mount training again. 49. Oh, I should do Deadsy wins the second mount. And then for the training, we're going to do 30. And that is Octavius. So Octavius wins the mount training. Octavius, let me just copy that. Okay. What happened? Somebody was saying something. Okay, so that's it for the raffle. We have the things here to give away. So if you're in org, you can come pick it up. If not, I will mail it to you. That's not a big deal. And then I will see what's going on with the person we thought died. Who was that again? That won the Mooncloth bag? Blue Merca or Chippewa? No, Merca, right? Oh, it was Chippewa. No, Chippewa, I know he died. He did re-roll, so he did win the bag, so he's good. All right, guys, that's been another successful Ratchet Yacht Club raffle. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, just let me know, and you guys are good to go. Thanks, and have a great night.